Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, so this time I'm in Kuta area. I think maybe most of you know about this area. A lot of people mention this area as Bemo Corner, guys. I don't know why. Maybe a long time ago there was a lot of Bemo in this area. Not really busy today. And there is a Mexican restaurants there. I tried their food. It was very good. Don Juan. Is this how you pronounce it? Don Juan? And this is Legion Street. Anyway, I come back here because I have a request actually to see the situations along Poppies Lane 1, guys. Some people want to know the progress of the project there on the Poppies Lane 1. So I will walk along Poppies Lane 1 and maybe later let's have a quick look at the beach, guys, Kuta Beach. So let's go and walk together. This is Jalan Legion and I will go to the small alley to go to Poppies Lane 1. And as you can see, there are some shops are still open. Like here, and on the right side, tattoo studio, spas is still open, but maybe you will see a lot of shops closed, guys, because first we will have Silent Day, and then secondly we will have the Eid Mubarak soon, and a lot of the shops owner, they are from outside of Bali, so they start to go home now to their island to celebrate Eid Mubarak soon. So maybe it will be quiet in Bali for a few days. If I'm not mistaken, the Eid Mubarak will be on the 31st, I think. And normally the people will go back to Bali after the Eid Mubarak. Here, I think this shops has been empty for quite a long time. So the contractant, this is the number. If you want to rent that business, you can contact that number. And here, it's very famous Poppies restaurant. This is the place, and here is the sign. They are open, as you can see. That is the restaurant inside, guys. I think there are some new shops, yeah. It looks nice staying there. So maybe some of you been staying in this area because as you can see there are a lot of homestays here, guys, and there in the front of us there is Komala in the accommodation. So yeah, you can have a look a little bit from outside. Look at that. I can see there are some tourists staying there, and I think the prices of course is much cheaper, yeah, if you compare staying at the hotel. So if you are in the tight budget and want to stay in Kuta in this area, maybe you can try staying at that kind of place. And if you go to that side, there will be Poppies Lane 2. There is a laundry service express. You can have your clothes ready in 3 hours. There, 1 kilo, only 20k. There are some shops that are still open here, which is good, yeah. If you're staying in this area, at least if you like to do some shopping, you have options. Bamboo Corner restaurant, they are still open. Yeah, you can see the menu from here, guys. So this is the menu you can see from here. Chicken curry 30k, fish curry 30k, pork satay 30k. It is really good price. Gado gado 25k. No wonder that restaurant is very popular here, because I can see the price is very good. It is similar like local price, guys. Because to be honest to you, there are a lot of restaurants, of course, at the tourist area, but the price is, yeah, and not a local price. I think, yeah, maybe that is a good place. And look at this here. This is the progress of this hotel, Hotel Kuta Bali. Still a long way to go, I think. Maybe next year. But it is really massive hotel, guys. I hope they will have like big parking area so that it will cause not really bad traffic jam. Yeah, this is the design I think I showed you before as well on my previous video. That is the progress, guys. Still a way to go. But anyway, at the moment in this area, as you can see, it is quiet. This bar is open. You can watch a sports game there. Nice to see some tourists here enjoying their lunch. Maybe a bit late lunch, yeah, because now it's around 3:30 in the afternoon. But this is the La Wallon Hotel. I've been to this hotel as well. It's a very good hotel. They have nice pool there. And if you need any ATM, it's available here. Tattoo studio, barbershop, mini mart, money changer. So you can have like a bit of everything in this corner or this area. Oh, visa extensions also. Yeah. This is Masa Inn Hotel. It is a good hotel as well, quite big. Bali style design of hotel, guys. Let's continue. Cave bar here. Wow, it is really busy. Let's wait here for a while. Let them pass by. And there on the right side is the Swell bar. Yeah, of course, at this time it's not really busy. Maybe if you come at evening, especially after dinner, there will be quite a lot of people here. And here is Bali Divas Bar. And this is Pertamini, where you can buy your petrol if you drive scooter or car, yeah. Well, look at this. Cars, a lot of scooters, and the local people going to the beach for the Melasti ceremony. Anyway, talking about Melasti ceremony, if you go to the beaches in Bali, you will see a lot of people wearing white, like I explained before. There are a lot of people will do the Melasti ceremony or purification ceremony to the beach, and not at the same time, guys, because how to say it depends on the village itself. For example, in Kuta area, maybe they do it today, and some village in Gianyar, they will do it maybe tomorrow, or some other village, they do it maybe yesterday. It depends on the village. But most of the village, they will do Melasti ceremony before Ngerupuk Day, or before Silent Day as well. And this is a Treehouse Cafe. Last time I came to this cafe and had an interview, interesting interview actually with the staff. But look at that, there are some tourists now enjoying their lunch there. Halo. Kami Bu. Jalan dulu ya. But look at this, guys. All the shops here closed. I think they've been I don't know if they've been closed for quite a long time here, or they just closed it recently because, like I said, maybe most of the shops owner, they return back to their island to celebrate the Eid Mubarak. There is another laundry service here, but some shops are still open. Quite busy, and a lot of local people like to eat there. But look at this, guys, on the left side, still remaining the same view. All of the shops here closed. It's really sad to see it. It's been here like it's been like this since COVID-19 until now. It's remaining like this, guys. I mean, no one able to open or start a business here. And here is a quite famous hotel as well, Kuta Puri Bungalows and Villas Resort. They have their hello.
Follow you on YouTube.
Ah, thank you.
Recognize your face.
Thank you for watching me. Nice to meet you, Krishna.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. How's holiday? Good.
Right.
Fantastic,
Yeah.
yes.
So, is this how many days have you been in Bali?
We've been here for 10, we've probably got another
Week and a half.
11 to
Ah,
go.
okay.
So we'll be
Ah, so here you will be
Yes.
here on Nyepi.
Yes.
Yeah, so will be good experience.
yeah, we've done it once before, so it'd be
Ah,
interesting to do it
okay.
again. Especially the day before, it's fantastic.
Ah,
Ceremony.
the ceremony, the ogogo, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully you will enjoy, yeah, this time, yeah.
We will.
Okay.
And out at the beach.
Yeah,
Malasti, that's
they have
beautiful.
yeah they have
It
Malasti
is.
ceremony today
Yeah.
for I think Kuta village and around, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I will go to the beach also.
Very
Okay, so
good.
thank you,
We
yeah.
love watching you.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Hello, nice to
Krishna.
meet you. I'm Krishna.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching my video.
Very good.
Is it okay if I upload you on my
Yes.
video?
Yes,
Eh?
of course.
So all of you from Australia? Okay. Yeah, so thank you.
Every year.
Ah, okay. Wow, that's good, yeah. So yeah, thank you very much, yeah, for watching. Okay, see you around.
Okay.
Happy day. too.
Happy Nyepi, thank you. Hello. It is nice to meet them. They watch my videos a lot, so I really appreciate. And I would like to say thank you very much for all of you that always watching my videos, guys. And if you have any requests for me to see the places or the area in Bali, you can write down in the comment section. I will make a list and try to visit one by one. Okay, so let's continue. Wow, look at this. So busy at the beach because of Malasti ceremony. And this is Jalan Pandikuta, and as you can see the situation, it's a bit slow, yeah? I mean, there is no traffic jam. Wow, look at that. So many people at the beach. It is really busy. So I guess most of the bars here, it is closed today. But you don't need to worry, if you are here, you still can enjoy the beach, guys. I can see some tourists. Look at that, they're enjoying their time, enjoying the beach, and a lot of people sitting down and praying here. Yeah, so this is a little bit how it looks like when the people do Malasti ceremony in Bali. But I think the government need to put more garbage bins along Kuta Beach. So when people consume anything, food or anything, if they need to throw garbage, it's easy for them to throw. This is the beach situation, as you can see. It is okay, good. But they're putting a lot of rocks here so that people can sit here and enjoy the sand. But down there, a little bit dirty because I think because of the rain, yeah. Last, how many days was it? Like 4 or 5 days ago, there were a lot of rains. It was very windy, so we got like some trash. Yeah, hopefully this beach will get clean faster and people will enjoy the beach again. Okay, so I think that's all for today's short video from Poppies Lane 1 and also Kuta Beach. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.